People always asking me about transmissions. When should I change my fluid? Well, I guess the first thing to do is look at your manufacturer's recommended intervals. Now transmissions, most of them go to 100,000 miles of fluid in them. I don't know if I believe in that, but if that's what they say, you can go with that. A good rule of thumb is every now and then ask somebody to check it. The oil change guy can't check it, your mechanic can definitely check it. What you do is you pull the dipstick out, wipe it off, stick it in, make sure it's all the way down, pull it back out, and then look and see where it's at on the stick. Usually most of them have hash marks in between. You should be anywhere inside them hash marks right there. If it's pretty clear, it should be okay. If it's starting to turn brown at any time, let your mechanic look at it and see if he agrees it should be changed or not. Some of them don't have a dipstick. Some of them you have to check on the rack while it's running in the air. When you get underneath a car, if you don't know what you're looking at, all of this stuff kind of looks the same. I mean, this is the transmission drain plug and this is the engine drain plug. I mean, they really look the same. That's why you should have a certified mechanic doing your oil change and your transmission service. You don't want to put transmission fluid in your oil pan, and you don't want to put oil in your transmission, or you're asking for trouble. If something is wrong with your transmission, usually it'll turn the check engine light on and you'll feel something happen. So take care of your transmission. It'll keep you shifting gears.
So the parade keeps rolling, and Mardi Gras really never ends in New Orleans, but our show does. So in the meantime, keep your eyes on the road and your hands upon the wheel, and stay driven, my friends.